using a binding pattern as the res property. The res property of array destructuring assignment can be another array or object binding pattern. This allows you to simultaneously unpack the properties and indices of arrays. And here we have an example. We have the keyword const, we open brackets, and we have the constants a, b, we have ellipses, we open curly braces, so this is an object, and we have pop and push methods here. We close the brackets, and then we use the equal sign or the assignment operator, and then we have an array of two numbers, the number 1 and the number 2. We end up with a semicolon, and now we're gonna cancel that log, the constants a and b, and the result is gonna be the numbers 1 and 2. Then we're gonna cancel that log, the methods pop and push, and we're gonna get is the function pop and the function push, and we can check it out. We're gonna grab this example, we just copy here, we press here, and we open any tab with Ctrl+Shift+I, and now we're gonna paste it, and now I'm gonna press enter, and there you have it. When we cancel that log a and b, the constants a and b, we are gonna get the numbers 1 and 2, and when we cancel that log pop and push, we are gonna get the function pop and the function push. Here we have the function pop with parentheses. Here we're gonna have curly braces, native code, then function push, curly braces, brackets, native code. Now here we have another example. We have the constant keyword, open brackets, we have the constants a, b, ellipses or 3 dots, then we have another array of constants c, d, we close the inner brackets, we close the outer brackets, and then we assign it to an array of numbers, the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna cancel that log, the constants a, b, c, d, and the result is gonna be the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can check it out here. We can clean it out with Ctrl+L, or you just press the circle, and there you have it, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now these binding patterns can even be nested as long as each res property is the last and the least. So here we have another example. We have the keyword const, we open brackets, we have the constants a, b, ellipses, open brackets, c, d, ellipses, open brackets, e, f. We close the inner brackets and the outer brackets, and then we use the assignment operator, and we assign it to this array of 6 elements. We have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're gonna cancel that log, the constants a, b, c, d, e, f, and we can check it out here. We go to our Chrome developer tools, and let's change, for example, the c by, let's say, g. We can change here, we press enter, and there you have it. We're gonna get the results 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. On the other hand, object destructuring can only have an identifier as a res property. So here we have this example. We have the keyword const, we open curly braces, and we have the constant a, comma, ellipses, we open another curly braces b, we close the curly braces, the inner curly braces, and then the outer curly braces. We assign it to this array, to this object with 2 key value pairs. We have the a:1 and b:2. A is gonna be the key, and 1 is gonna be its value. Then we have b is gonna be the key, and 2 is gonna be its value. But now we're gonna get a syntax error, because for this ellipses, these 3 dots must be followed by an identifier and declaration context. So now we have the let declaration, and we have the variables a and b, and now we open a parenthesis, and inside of the parenthesis we open curly braces. We have the variables a, comma, ellipses, open curly braces. We have the variable b, we close the curly braces and the outer curly braces. Now we use the equal sign or the assignment operator, and we assign it to this object a colon 1 and b colon 2, these key value pairs, and we're gonna get a syntax error. The ellipses or the three dots must be followed by an assignable reference and assignment context. And yeah, I mean, we can check it out here in our Chrome developer tools. I'm gonna copy it with Ctrl C. I'm gonna clean it up with Ctrl L here, paste it with Ctrl V, and now I'm gonna press enter, and there you have it, uncode syntax error. Here this ellipses or three dots must be followed by an identifier and declaration context.